Bronco and Baja have this amazingly tight relationship because as an off-road vehicle and Baja being the pinnacle of off-road racing, they were destined for each other. And they were brought together by Bill Strop. Ford had been partners with Strop on a variety of different racing all the way back to the 50s. So when they were looking for a partner who could create this off-road racing machine, the same way that Shelby was treating the Mustangs, they turned to Bill Strop and he put his magic to work. The Strop Baja Bronco became available to the consumers as early as 1971. And a consumer could order a Bronco at their dealership and do a special Strop Baja Bronco package. The dealership would buy it, the Bronco would be shipped to Strop, and he would customize the vehicle. And essentially make a vehicle that you could have driven straight from that dealer lot to Baja and raced in.
That's how Strop and Ford worked together back in the 60s, and winning Baja 1000, being the first overall finisher in the 4x4 class, was just a huge accomplishment, not only for Strop and Strop Racing, but Ford Motor Company as well. We had to continue telling that story, and I think that's just something that we ultimately needed to bring back.
When I think of Strop, I think of victory, Baja, and driving like hell. With the Strop Edition, when we initially started this project and we went into the archives and we started all of our research, we looked at the original materials, the original color swatches and samples, and really assessed them in order to make a contemporary take on it. And what we brought into the color materials was the matte black hood as a functional element that tied back to the original Strop Edition, the iconic orange, or that orange that's between a red and an orange, and we specifically also wanted to use our code orange color. That is our Raptor color that's tied to all of our Ford Performance Raptors. We also made sure that our blue for the Atlas blue on the roof was a signifier of the original blue and really tied it all together. On the interior, we pulled a lot of code orange elements into the interior through thread, through the grab handle accents, to tie what we're doing on Bronco Raptor and that desert racing aspect into the Strop Edition, just to bring in that contemporary take of how we handle racing today.
I think for our Baja enthusiasts, this absolutely is going to set the tone for what the new generation of Broncos means. Paying tribute to what the Strop family did for Ford, that's something that we didn't take lightly.
I think that the Ford and the Strop family brands are a marriage made in heaven. And the idea that Ford will look back into its heritage and identify somebody like Bill Strop, who worked so hard to make Ford off-road racing as successful as it was, that fits the Ford DNA, to be able to do something like that as a family company, to honor a family.
Buddy, how you doing?
Good, good.
Welcome to Colorado.
Well, thanks for having us.
Let's go check it out.
We're loving it.
Here we go. Wow.
Wow, wow.
There we go.
Unbelievable.
So what are your first thoughts when you see it?
I always love the colors, but the combination of the way they're applied, remarkable.
It looks like it's ready for Baja. This is cool.
Oh, I like that.
And the cactus.
I like that. The blue,
Yep.
the blue is that's it. It's a little bit different than the original, but for this car, it's just, they say, new generation.
Yeah.
Wow, you guys did a hell of a job on this, I'll tell you.
We put a lot of time and effort into getting it right, and being able to showcase and show the vehicle to Willie, it just meant the world to get his reaction. To do a Strop Edition is going to be truly an honor.
Oh,
So
that's
we're thrilled.
fantastic.
Yeah, we can't wait.
I mean, just to get that history
Sure.
brought back up to the front is a pretty cool story in itself.
Oh, yeah. We were very successful through the years in Baja. We had one heck of a team. We had the best of the best. Just being around that as a kid, it was priceless. Ford really, really stepped up the game on this car.